Hello skis. This is the video about Trig Applications and bearings. I'm in Russia again, so I have to speak like Russian. Trig Applications. Do not forget to soak your toe in hot water. Soak a toe. Bearings is talking about navigations and things. So when you're flying in the plane and you have to go, say, north however many degrees east, the plane knows where it needs to fly. But we will talk about that later. So this, save him for later, if I can spell it. The bear goes roar. Yes, good times all around. Okay, but real quick, I just want to make sure that we know how to even calculate things. What is that in the way? Get out of there, pen. You are in the picture. You are not the star of the movie. The trigonometry is. You crazy fool. So 27, 49, 15. What you say? So say you want to find the angle. We need to find the angle in this one. We have done all of the information up to this point, but we need to find the angle. Well, I see that I have my opposite side. I also have my hypotenuse. The one that deals with both of those things, opposite and hypotenuse, is sine. So I can say sine of my angle equals the opposite side over the hypotenuse. I'm going to use an inverse function, like we learned about previously, to say that sine inverse, which will give me the angle. I feel like my whatever, I don't know. Don't worry about it, it's okay. Like I said, they'll institute me one day. So you just punch in the calculator, sine inverse is 27 over 49. Yes, now I'm going to Holland. My accent is changing, that's what I was going to say, but I couldn't think of the word accent. Make sure that you are in degrees. So if you are in radians, I just went to mode. Mode is right there. See it? It's so pretty. It says mode. If you go to mode, you can quit out of it. Oh, there's the bell. You're out of school. Yay! You can go to mode, change your degree. So that will give you your answer in degrees. If you are not in degrees, it will give you an answer in radians. So make sure you are in degrees. So then we would just copy our answer. Theta is 33.437 degrees. Yay! Okay, one more skis. This time, I'm going to, oops. Oh, don't look at that. Don't look. Don't look. Don't look at that dot. I messed up. Shh, it's okay. I'm going to label it C, not the dot. Don't look. Don't, whatever. It doesn't matter. Who cares? Only George Lucas, probably. Oh yeah, these are both right triangles, just in case you're going to be technical with me. Say we make this 15 down here. Well, here I have the adjacent and the hypotenuse. So what I can do, skis, is do with cosine of my angles. Cosine 25 degrees equals adjacent over hypotenuse. To get that C rid of, I want to get rid of this fraction here. I circled so fast you don't even see me moving. Whoa! Oh, now you saw the circle. Hey, I want to get rid of the C on bottom, so I can write and multiply by C. Hello, skis. She doesn't know I'm making a video, but she likes to eat bananas and such things. This is Alexis, in case you are curious. She's over there. Oh, there we go. Yes, because you can see her. So now you have C cosine 25 degrees equals 15. You want to get rid of the cosine 25, so divide by it. Division, division. So again in the calculator. Ooh, calculator over here. There she is. She's so pretty. Stop laughing. It's not nice. I don't know what's wrong with me. It's okay. So we find out that C is 15. Oh no, skis! 16.551. Yay, and if it was measured in inches, I would measure it in inches. So there we go. Let's get on to the next thing. Alright, I kicked that guy out. He smells funny. This video, or not this video, dang it. Oh well. Anyways, this is a problem that you will see. This is like a word problem. This is where the applications will come in handy. So we got a monkey's dangling. Well, pause the video, write down the problem, at least get the important information or take a screenshot, whatever you want to do. But we have a monkey is dangling from a banana tree. The Banana King spots him. Oh no! He is 30 feet from the base of the tree, and he wants to shoot an arrow at 20 degrees. How high is the monkey, and how long must the arrow travel? So I have a picture here. It's beautiful. Bridget Price drew it. I don't really know why the arrow is pointing backwards. Sorry, Bridget. But yeah, bow and arrows go the other way. They kind of, you got the arrow part here, and then you'd pull the string back. It needs to be a little bit curved, and then the arrow would go, right? Arrow. That's not much better. But there's an arrow and there's feathers. Anyways, going back to our problem. Stop. Banana phone. Okay, so we got the monkey dangling up here. We got the Banana King down there. And I want to know how high he is. I need to know, well, it tells me that he is 30 feet from the base of the tree. We have a triangle. He wants to shoot his arrow at 20 degrees. So I need to find the height, and I need to find the distance the arrow travels. Well, to find the height, that's my opposite side. I'm given my adjacent, so I can say tangent of 20 degrees equals opposite over adjacent. And I can just multiply that 30 to the other side and say h is 30 tangent 20. Punch it in my calculator just like that. Whoop, don't look at that. 30, tan, 20. See, it says 30, tan, 20. And my answer is 10.919. So E is 10.919 feet above the ground. And to find the distance, there's my monkey. The distance is the hypotenuse. I'm given the adjacent. The side that deals with adjacent and hypotenuse is cosine. So I'd say cosine of 20 degrees is adjacent over hypotenuse. Multiply by that d and divide by the cosine 20, so I will have d is 30 over cosine 20. If you're confused about how I got to there, look back at our previous problem that we just did where we had something just like it, where I had to multiply by the variable and then divide by the function. And then I will just type that in my calculator as I see it. Just make sure you are in degrees again. So 30 divided by cosine 20, the distance is 31.925 feet. I do believe so. Check my work though. If you don't believe me, make a comment. I will check it. I will write over this video and we will all be happy. I know you like my singing. Don't even pretend. You're smiling. You're laughing because I'm awkward. Yay. There's somebody yelling in the hallway and it's scaring me. He seems upset. I hope everything's okay. Anyways, King Kong jumped. You may want to pause the video again and do whatever. Yeah, he's carrying his lady friend. She's not in the word problem. I don't know why she's there. That doesn't make sense. Bridget's crazy. She has to do the Empire State Building. Yay. Okay, King Kong jumped to the top of the Empire State Building. One leap. Yeah! The Empire State Building, that's an abbreviation that says Empire State Building. Believe me. Is 1464 feet high. He was 400 feet away. What is this angle of elevation? Well, if we know that it is 1464 high, he starts out 400 away. Don't laugh at my scale. I know what's wrong. Don't worry about it though. We want to find his angle of elevation. So we are looking for that angle right there. Well, I have my opposite side. I have my adjacent side. So I can say that this is tangent of theta equals opposite over adjacent. I want to find the angle, so I will use an inverse function, so tangent inverse of 1464 over 400. Yeah. And then punch it in your calculator. It comes out 74.718. Calculators make weird noises these days. And there you go. That's all there is to that one. Happy day! Potato, 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 potato. Oh, I can't do this one yet. We need to know something about bearings. All right, bearings. Bearings. I do believe that's how you spell it. That's a G right there. B-E-A-R-I-N-G-S, bearings. It is just talking about the direction that you are traveling in based on the compass rose. So say you are going north 45 degrees to the west. Then you are going from the north, and then you are going 45 degrees to the west, such that your 45 degrees is right here. You will always, always, always see north or south first. Banana phone. North or south, whatever angle, and then east or west. Okay, you put your angle right there. Cool. So say we had something like south 82 degrees east. Then I would go from the South Pole. Then I would go 82 degrees towards the east, such that there is my 82 degrees right there. Don't email me. I don't want to talk to you. I'm just kidding. Maybe it's someone very nice. Maybe it's my mommy. She works at another school. Well, for right now, for like another year. And this is 2015, so all my students in like 2030. Wow, that's weird. 15 years later. I'm going to be old. Anyways, yeah, they won't know my mom. Unless she comes to school and brings me sack lunches. So if I want to tell what direction this one is going in, this one right here, he's in the first quadrant, that's 30 degrees right there. But don't forget, it is from the direction of north, so I need to know that that is 60 degrees right there. So this is really going from north 60 degrees to the east. Chupacabra! Yeah! Alright, now let's do our mommy tree, banana tree. Pause the video, get the problem, write some things, you may want to try it, and then we can talk about it. Yay! I like math. Alright, so we have a banana wants to visit his mommy tree. That says mommy, not money. His mommy tree, where he was born from. Oh, his mommy tree. She's so happy that he's coming home, but he's so sad that he is far away. I really don't know what's wrong with me, you guys. I'm sorry. I apologize. I promise I can teach you guys how to do math. Hopefully you understand it. If not, just ask me questions. I promise I'll answer any questions, and I won't be as weird answering the questions as I am explaining it. Okay, anyways. But he is 105 west and 201 south of home. So here's our mommy tree. He is 105 miles to the west, and he is 201 south of home. So he needs to get back home. So from your compass rose, here's your north, here's your east, south, west. It looks like he's going to go north some angle east, and I need to figure out what that angle is. So if I want to know this angle, well, I have an opposite side with a right triangle and an adjacent side. So I can say that theta is equal to tangent inverse, since I'm looking for the angle of opposites. That's not right, 105. I wrote 150. I'm sorry for blobbing. Blob. Blob. 105 over 201. And then do some fancy magic tricks in your calculadora. Hey! And this angle comes out as 27.582 degrees. So I will say for my bearing that he must go north 27.582 degrees to the east in order to get back to his mama tree. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you guys. Hopefully I'm able to piece it together well. This is the first time I'm trying to cut and slice and eat and make grapes with 2 plates stuffed together. Yeah, if you stack 2 plates, you know, you got a plate of grapes. Grapes. Pretend like that's grapes. If you want to cut them all in half, put another plate on top of it, and then just follow the knife along and just cut it. Yeah, hopefully that made sense. If not, hey, he kind of looks like a moon. Moon face. Moon face man. Like a little mouth right there. This side of his face got kind of messed up, though. I don't really know what happened. But there's his eye. He's kind of, I don't know. Whatever. Anyways, hopefully this was helpful. I'll see you guys in class. Love you. Bye bye.